I kept seeing the same claim about Topview AI. Just upload your product and AI will create a video ad that sells. Honestly, I didn't buy it because if creating winning ads were really that easy, every business would be printing money. So instead of believing the marketing, I tested Topview AI with a real product. No sponsored demo, no perfect example, just a normal product page. The first thing that impressed me was the speed. Within minutes, Topview AI generated a complete ad with visuals, captions, voiceover, and a marketing style script. Compared to editing everything manually, it was incredibly fast. I could immediately see why marketers are paying attention to tools like this. Then I tried creating ads for different products. A gadget, a skincare product, a digital service. The videos looked clean and the AI understood the basic selling points surprisingly well. But then I noticed something important. A good-looking ad isn't always a high-converting ad. That's a huge difference. Here's what nobody tells you before using Topview AI. The AI can build the video. It can't validate your offer. If your product isn't interesting, if your pricing is wrong, or if your hook is weak, AI can't magically fix those problems. That's still your job as the marketer. I think that's where many people get disappointed. They expect AI to replace marketing strategy. It doesn't. It simply removes hours of production work. Now, who do I think should actually use Topview AI? Shopify store owners, freelancers, marketing agencies, startup founders, content creators running paid ads. If you're constantly testing different products and ad angles, this tool can save a massive amount of time. After using it, here's my honest opinion. Topview AI doesn't create ads that automatically sell. Nobody can promise that. What it does create is the opportunity to test more ideas, launch campaigns faster, and spend less time editing videos. And in digital marketing, that's often the real advantage because the businesses that test 10 ad ideas usually beat the businesses that only test one. So before you buy Topview AI, don't ask whether it can replace your marketing team. Ask whether it can help your team create and test more ads in less time. For me, that's where the real value is. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.